the silent monk and the unshakable mind. In a secluded monastery nestled deep in the mountains, there lived a monk named Master Rohan. He was known for his profound wisdom and an extraordinary ability to remain unshaken by anything life threw at him. His disciples often wondered how he could maintain such peace no matter the circumstances. One day, a young seeker named Arjun arrived at the monastery. He had wandered from place to place, seeking enlightenment, but always feeling lost. "Master," he said, bowing before Rohan, "I have studied many teachings, meditated for hours, and practiced discipline, yet I am restless. My mind is like a storm. I wish to find true peace." Master Rohan nodded. "Stay in the monastery for a while. Observe, learn, and be patient." Arjun agreed, expecting to be given deep teachings immediately. But days passed, and the master said nothing. Arjun grew impatient. He tried meditating, but found his mind clouded with frustration. He observed the other monks working in silence, sweeping, cooking, and fetching water, but he could not understand how this was a path to peace. One morning, Master Rohan finally spoke. "Come with me, Arjun." They walked to the edge of a high cliff overlooking a vast valley. The wind howled, and the ground beneath their feet felt unstable. Master Rohan picked up a large bowl and filled it with water from a nearby stream. "Look into this," he instructed. Arjun peered into the bowl. The water was still and reflected his face clearly. "This is your mind when it is calm," the master said. Then he shook the bowl violently. The water rippled, distorting Arjun's reflection. "And this," he continued, "is your mind when it is disturbed by desires, fears, and impatience. Tell me, which mind will help you see the truth?" "The calm mind," Arjun replied. Master Rohan smiled. "Then why do you let every little thing shake you?" Arjun was silent. He knew the answer. He was too attached to his thoughts, his expectations, and his desires. The master continued, "Come back here tomorrow at sunrise." The next morning, Arjun arrived at the same spot. Master Rohan handed him the bowl again. "Now, hold it steadily no matter what happens." Arjun held the bowl as the wind blew harder. His arms ached, but he focused. Suddenly, Master Rohan grabbed a handful of dust and threw it into the water. The clear water turned murky. "Master," Arjun protested, "you made it dirty." The master smiled. "Be patient. Just wait." Arjun stared at the water. Slowly, the dust began to settle at the bottom. After a few minutes, the water became clear again. "This is the secret," Master Rohan said. "When your mind is disturbed, do not react. Do not stir it further with more thoughts. Let be. With time, it will settle on its own. That is when you will see clearly." Arjun's heart pounded. He finally understood. True peace was not about controlling the world around him, but mastering his own mind. He bowed deeply. "Thank you, Master. I will practice this." From that day on, Arjun no longer struggled against his thoughts. He simply observed them, letting them settle like dust in the water. Over time, he became like his master, calm, unshakable, and truly at peace.